Yo, stop scrolling right now. If you create any kind of content, your life is about to change forever because Grok just dropped Agent Mode Beta today, April 30th, and it's legitimately one of the craziest AI updates we've ever seen. This isn't just another image generator, this is a full autonomous creative agent living on an infinite canvas. You type one big prompt and it starts thinking like a real director. It plans the entire video, generates every single shot, fixes consistency issues, adds perfect lip sync, smooth transitions, edits like a pro, and stitches everything together automatically. No more jumping between 10 different tools, no more copy-pasting prompts, no more frustrating broken outputs. Imagine this. You say, make me a 60-second explainer about this new beta, and you literally watch the agent build the whole thing live in front of you. It keeps your exact character face, lighting, outfit, and style locked across every scene. The lip sync is scarily good. The camera angles feel cinematic, and it actually understands your vision from the first frame to the final export. Creators who jump in today are about to 10x their output. Dance reels that used to take hours, done in minutes. Singing videos with perfect mouth movements, easy. Tattoo reveal transitions that look expensive, it handles the glow, the zoom, the emotion automatically. UGC product stories, talking head explainers, short films, everything just got stupidly easier and higher quality. This update solves every single pain point we've complained about for the last year. Consistency? Solved. Speed? Insane. Creative control? You still guide it, but the agent does 90% of the heavy lifting. And because it's on an infinite canvas, you can drag, rearrange, regenerate any part instantly while chatting with it like a real collaborator. Right now, while most people are still sleeping on this, you have the chance to be first. The creators posting these early demos are already getting massive engagement because nobody has polished tutorials yet. This is your moment to own the narrative. So here's what you do. Go to grok.com on web, open Imagine, type one powerful prompt describing your full video idea, and watch the magic unfold. Upload a reference photo of your face if you want a consistent talking character, tell it the exact style, length, and vibe you want, then sit back as the agent cooks an entire professional-looking video in one go. This update doesn't just save time, it multiplies your creativity. Content that used to feel impossible is now daily reality. The quality is so good, you'll forget it's AI. If you've been grinding with Midjourney, Runway, or Kling, trust me, this feels like the next level. The future of content creation just arrived today. So, what are you waiting for? Open grok.com right now, jump into Agent Mode Beta, and start creating something wild. Drop your first video in the comments or tag me. I want to see what you cook. This is going to break the internet. Link in bio. Go try it before everyone else catches up. You do not want to miss this wave.